Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Pusheen as a Christmas tree. So let's get started. To draw this cute tree, let's first start by drawing a soft curve at the top for Pusheen's head. So I'm going to start right here and just start with a small curve. And then we're going to go up on both sides for her ears. So go up and then round off the tip and then bring it down. And same thing over here. Up and down. Then from there, let's just bring it down a little bit more, and as we come down, we're just going to go out wide. So same thing here, just head out. And then before I finish any of that, let's come back and we need to draw the stripes on her head. So right here, we're going to draw 3 U's. And one more. Right there. And then we're going to find the center, come down to say about right here. Just give myself a point, and I'm just going to go straight down with a line and then curve out on both sides for her nose and mouth. There. Then I'm going to come to the sides about right here and draw a circle for her eyes. And then I'll add a little highlight right here and shade everything else in. And same thing on the other side, so about right here. This is my draw so cute Pusheen, so the eyes tend to be bigger. And a highlight. There. And then I'll draw a little curve above each eye. Then from there, we can go ahead and bring it down a little bit more. So I'm just going to come down, not too much, say maybe about right here. And same thing on the other side. So I just want to kind of end at the same height. A little bit more. About right there. So now that we're about the same height, I kind of need to draw a curve all the way around to draw the garland to make her look like a Christmas tree. So I'm going to go at a curve, but with curves going this way. So let's go ahead, whoops, and I'll start right here. And I'm just going to draw a bunch of curves. And just remember, as you draw these curves, you're still going at a curve. So if you're not comfortable drawing it this way, you can always use a pencil, draw a curve first, and then just follow that curve with a bunch of these curves. Okay, there. So then from there, we're going to make it thicker. So let's come out right here. And I'll just put in maybe 3 to make it nice and poofy. 3 curves. Just have fun with this. I just want to surround Pusheen here. And then, so once again, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go all the way across. So just kind of follow your top. Here and there, maybe sometimes bigger, smaller. It really doesn't matter. It's all up to you. But you just want to draw in these curves to give it some texture. Okay, so now that I have 1, we're going to continue down. And we need to draw another one. So let's say about right there. So same thing here, just come down. And once again, we want to end about the same height. About right there, and once again we're going to do the same thing. There. Okay, so now that we have that, once again we're going to thicken it up, come out here, and same thing here. And go ahead and thicken it up. There. Okay, nice and floofy, right? Then let's finish Pusheen. So let's bring this down. We're going to come in about right here. So this is our bottom. And same thing here, about right here. And let's go ahead and end it. So we're going to draw a curve coming in. And same thing here. And before I finish this curve, I'm going to find my center. So let's come all the way down right here. And I'm going to go to the left right here, give myself a point and go to the right. Using that as my guide, I'm gonna come right here and just draw a little U for her feet so that I know it's nice and centered. So same thing here. And then I can go ahead and finish this curve. So you just want her feet sticking out a tiny bit. There. Okay, so then from there, I almost forgot. We need to come back to where the eyes are and draw some whiskers. It's not Pusheen without these whiskers, so almost forgot. So same thing on this side and here. And then from there we need to draw, let's see here. Oh, and her tail. Sorry, I'm going back and forth. Let's come down here and we're just going to draw a tail and pop it out. Curve and bring it right back in. And then of course there's some stripes on her tail, so I'm going to come right here. 1, 2, and 3 stripes. And then we need to draw the star on top, so I'm going to come to the center, go up about right here, and then just draw 2 angle lines coming down, the cone, and then our star. So I'm just going to draw 5 points, center, and down, and connect. There. And then we need to, if you like, put in little hands right here. That would be extra cute. So under each eye, let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead, draw a curve, touching, and bring it in. So same thing here, under each eye, and touching, and bring it, oops, and bring it in. There. Aww. And then we need to, of course, decorate this. So let's come right here and just going to draw a bunch of circles for some ornaments. And of course, it's all up to you what you want to put. The original has just a bunch of circles in it. Oh my gosh. See all of my little boo-boos that I need to fix. Okay, so same thing on this side, on the bottom part right here. Just fill this, one here, and another one. There, make it extra festive. And last but not least, I need to add a heart, so I'll just tuck it in right here, nice and small, to make this my Draw So Cute Pusheen Christmas tree. I really hope you love how this turned out and that it brings a smile to your day. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.